I love West Virginia. I looked over the degrees that were being awarded today. They all have in common one thing, in different ways to be sure, but all together, they are preparing you to play a significant role in not only your own future, but the future of your state and the future of your nation.
You know, I owe a great deal of my success to what I learned here at West Virginia University. At one time on my desk, I kept a quote from the poet Carl Sandburg. "Nothing happens unless first a dream." My life over the last half-century has surpassed even the wildest dreams of my boyhood.
You are so lucky. I'd give anything to be your age and run it all through again in this era. It's a great time, but you got to make the most of it. Everything we do should be about putting ourselves in the future business and about turning our good intentions into real changes. "20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do by the ones that you did do. So throw off the bow lines, sail away from the safe harbor, explore, dream, discover, and don't be afraid to fail."